Hey there, breakfast lover, tired of the same old pancakes? Get ready to flip your mornings upside down with these mouthwatering apple pancakes. I'll show you how to make the fluffiest, most delicious stack you've ever tasted. All ingredients are in the description, so let's get cooking. Alright, let's start by preparing the apples. First, peel the apples to remove the skin, then grate them using a box grater or a food processor. You want the apples to be finely grated so they blend well into the batter. Once grated, squeeze the juice from half a lemon over the apples and give them a good stir. This not only adds a nice tangy flavor but also prevents the apples from browning. Next, we'll mix our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the sugar-free vanilla yogurt, 2 whole eggs, and 2 egg whites. Whisk everything together until it's well mixed and smooth. The yogurt adds a lovely creaminess to the batter, while the eggs help bind everything together. Now, add the grated apples to the wet ingredients. Stir them in until they're evenly distributed throughout the mixture. The apples will add moisture and a natural sweetness to our pancakes, making them extra delicious. In a separate bowl, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Combine the old-fashioned oats, baking powder, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these together well. The oats will give our pancakes a hearty texture, and the baking powder will help them rise and become fluffy. It's time to combine the wet and dry ingredients. Gradually add the dry mixture to the wet mixture, stirring continuously until you have a smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps, and everything is well incorporated. The batter should be thick but pourable. For an extra burst of flavor, stir in the zest of half a lemon. The lemon zest will add a fresh, citrusy note that complements the sweetness of the apples perfectly. Make sure it's evenly mixed into the batter. Now, let's heat up our frying pan over medium heat. If your pan isn't non-stick, you might want to grease it with a small amount of oil to prevent the pancakes from sticking. Give it a couple of minutes to get nice and hot. Using a tablespoon, scoop a small amount of the batter and place it onto the hot pan. Cook the pancakes until the bottom side is golden brown, which should take about 2-3 minutes. Then, flip them over and cook the other side until it's also golden brown. You'll know they're ready when they're firm to the touch and cooked through. Finally, serve the pancakes hot with your choice of toppings. You can go classic with a drizzle of honey or jam, or get creative with fresh fruit, nuts, or even a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious apple pancakes. And that's it. Enjoy this delicious recipe. Before I go, don't forget that there's a link in the video description with the 3 best cookbooks. They will help you cook like a professional chef, with new recipes and great tricks. Click now and improve your cooking skills. See you in the next recipe.